Ariel. Ariel. Where are we going? Where are we going?
No kids. Hi, everyone's dad. My name's Julia. Here's my kid. That's really shy. Yeah.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Boys in the back, girls in the back,
14, 15 adults all together. Okay.
Boys in the center. Marco Z. Okay, we need to do emergency procedures really quick so we can get on the road and get some air moving in here. I know you're hot. Just in case something does happen on the bus, you need to know where all the emergency exits are. In the very back, there's an emergency window. On that window, there's a little red lever on the side. You just pull it, push on the window, and you can go out through there. Over on this right side, at seat number 6 and 7, there's an emergency door. Over on this side is for 7 and 8.